My name is Quantica Sparks, and I'm the owner of New Expressions Salon and Spa. And today's segment will be on hairstyles for African American women. So, step one in hairstyling for African American women is going to be in the consultation. So, I'm going to sit with my client and find out what her styling needs are, what it is that she's looking for, and also what's going to help her maintain her style when she's at home and ensure that she's able to do the style herself. Step number two is going to be going ahead and sectioning the hair and preparing the hair for the styling option that she has chosen. Step number three, I'm going to start flattering her hair and also incorporating some curls that she can have the achieved look of the style that she's found. I'm Quantica Sparks, and those were a couple of options and ideas to do hairstyles for African American women.